How to make a character in Emochi. So the first thing that you need to do is sign in. So click this button in the bottom left, and here you have 4 choices: Google, Twitter or X, Discord, or Mail. Now I'm gonna be using Google. Select your gender, your age, and click next. You can just skip all of this, it's not important. Let's continue. Now from here, go to the Me tab, and then click Create New Character right here. Now you can either do quick mode or expert mode. I'm gonna go expert mode. From here, first you need to upload a reference image that the character is gonna look like. So let's click upload, select the image. Now this is optional, but I'm just gonna type this in. Let's choose the image style. Let's do this one and let's generate. Okay, now just select the image that you want. I'm gonna go with this one and then select. Let's confirm and simply just fill in whatever you want in here. So here I thought of a name, an intro, personality. Here you can make this your own character bot that only you can talk to, or you can make it public as I'm gonna do right now. You can add the tags. So for example, let's do romance. Let's select original character and confirm. So this is the scenario. You can just read the example here. And now we can do an example conversation. So let's click here and then we can check to see how the bot responds. Next and publish. And there you go. That's how to create a character in Emochi. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.